Hey there, welcome to Unveil You, your destination for transformation and empowerment in everyday life. Whether you're lighting up your space, upgrading your gear, or gifting something special, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. At Unveil You, we believe that every detail matters. We started this store because we saw how the right tools, lights, accessories, even small upgrades, can change how you feel, how you work, how your space comes to life. This isn't just about shopping, it's about elevating your everyday. We carefully select each item with quality, versatility, and value in mind. From LED lights that set the mood, to tech gadgets that streamline your workflow, to lifestyle pieces that express your style. You'll find something here that helps you unveil you. First up, lighting and home decor. A well-placed LED strip or smart light can transform a space from dull to dynamic. At Unveil You, we offer flexible solutions, from USB plug lights for reading to full ambient setups for your creative workspace. Easy install, great effect. Next, tech and gadgets that make your life easier. Whether it's a compact nightlight that charges via USB or a work glove set that gives you grip and comfort on the job, we look at the real needs of everyday users, because empowering you means choosing gear that works. Finally, let's talk about lifestyle and gifting. Sometimes, it's not just about utility, it's about making a statement, adding a little fun, or, giving something meaningful. We've got unique picks for couples, creators, hobbyists, and honestly, anyone who wants to express themselves, because you deserve gear that fits your life, not the other way around. We hear from our customers all the time. This product changed my workspace mood, or the gift was a hit, and even, the lighting turned my streaming setup into something I feel proud of. That really matters to us, because transformation isn't just a buzzword. It's the real difference between settling for just okay and truly owning the way you work or live. At Unveil You, we stand behind what we sell, we listen to feedback, and we make adjustments, so you're not just buying a product, you're investing in an experience. Shopping with us is simple. Just head to unveilyoushop.com, browse by category, or search for what you need. You'll find product pages with clear images, honest descriptions, and real reviews from other customers. We support multiple payment options, and our checkout is totally secure. So, why choose Unveil You? Well, we offer quality at a fair cost, we curate our products thoughtfully, and we really believe in building a long-term relationship with our customers. That means prompt shipping, careful packaging, and our support team is always just a message away. Plus, we're constantly searching for new gear, trends, and accessories that help you stand out, feel better, and work smarter. Let's highlight some of our favorites, alright? First up, the mini USB night light. Just plug it in, and you get this warm white glow that's perfect for reading or adding some ambient light to your desk. Then there's the beads for DIY jewelry. Natural stone options, like rose quartz, tiger eye, and obsidian, which are just awesome for hobbyists, or anyone who loves crafting their own pieces. And don't forget the work gloves. PU-coated, lightweight but super durable, so if you're hands-on at work, or at home, you'll really feel the difference. Each one has been chosen for practical value and aesthetic appeal, because honestly, your gear should look good and perform just as well. Here's something special for you watching right now. Use code UNVEIL10 to get 10% off your first order at Unveil. Whether you're upgrading your space, searching for the right gadget, or picking out a gift for someone special, now's a great time. But don't wait, this offer is only valid for a limited time. Head to unveilyoushop.com and unlock your upgrade today. Thanks for spending these minutes with us. We really hope you're inspired to transform your space, your gear, or your gift game with Unveil You. If you have any questions, just drop us a message. We'd absolutely love to help. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, or follow us on social, for more gear reveals, lifestyle tips, and early access promos. Until next time, unveil your best self with Unveil. Click the link at the bottom of the description. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching. Also, please hit that like button.